Hello and welcome back to another video about Google Education. And today it's time to take a look to Google Meet. So first thing, you need to log in the classroom of the class, workshop, activity, whatever you need to go on. And you got the Meet right here. So we are going to ask you to keep your camera on, but turn off your microphone. And you just have to click on participer à la réunion. There you go. Turn on the camera and off the microphone. And on the three little dots here, you can change how you see the screen. So normally there's gonna have like lots of little squares so you can see everybody. And if you need to raise your hands to say something, it's that little thing here. And once you're done, you just click on it again and it's gonna disappear. And when the meet is done, you just have to click here and quit. Just quit. And there you go.